Well, hey there, do-it-yourselfers. I was just about to replace the shocks on the '07 Tacoma, and it's not that big a deal. I mean, you're looking at a large bolt on the bottom and a nut, and then you come up here, and this is usually where you get some concern because this thing will want to spin. A lot of times you have to put some channel locks, or more likely a set of locking pliers to nail this down and then twist off this nut. So not a huge deal. You can manipulate the rear end with the jack or whatever you need to do. But what I wanted to shoot this video about was the experience in buying the shocks with Amazon. Okay, so these are 5100 Bilstein. Some people say Bilstein, but I believe it's Bilstein shocks that I purchased from Amazon. They were used, but supposedly in like new condition, that were unused. So a little bit of a catch to that, right? You can see the condition of the boxes. First of all, they're not brand new by any means, and this one is probably worse than the other. It's even got some tape on it. But this is exactly how they came. Two of them purchased separately. The new ones of these run about at least 100, usually 110. So I was able to save some money on these because these were running 70, and depending on the unit, maybe even a little bit less. But again, there's some cons to that. The pro is, yeah, you're saving a little bit of money, but the con is a couple different things. One is you can see again that they're not brand new, and then when you pull them out, and I've purchased I think 3 or 4 of these now, there's no hardware. With a brand new one, you get hardware that would go on top of here, and it has some bushings, and a nut, and a couple flange washers, and none of that is in any of these that I found. So I think when people return these, they keep the hardware because they probably need the hardware more than maybe even they need the shock. This one, even though it's in the worst box, looks pretty good. I'm sure it was at least prepped to be installed, if not installed, but it looks pretty good. I mean, even the finish on the bottom. So I don't know. This one probably was not installed, to be honest. It was. A new unit comes without the boot installed, so somebody put the boot on, used the zip tie and put it on there, but it is basically unused, but no hardware, and there's no decals or anything like that in there as well. So I've bought plenty of these new, so I have plenty of decals, don't care about that. But things to watch out for if you're buying used. Now, the other one over here, used but like new condition according to Amazon again. The other one here, same thing. Boot's already been installed and ready to go supposedly. But this one has been installed. I can tell here pretty clearly that someone has tried, with the marks, someone has tried to install this on their vehicle and took it back off. But again, it looks to be new. I mean, if they used it, doesn't look like they used it for very long. If you compare the color, one is darker than the other, but again, I don't think that's it doesn't look like it's faded. It just looks like one's darker than the other. So that's what I've seen on purchasing some of these used but like new Amazon purchases. So just be aware of that. One other thing I ran into was I tried to buy a 5100, and it was the same setup, no hardware, no decals, no nothing. But I pulled it out of the box, and instead of this setup on top, had a completely different setup, metal flange coming out. It was not a 5100. I mean, was the bottom line, but somebody returned it like it was a 5100. So I ended up having to obviously return that to Amazon and tell them, hey, I ordered a 5100. You sent me something else. So another thing to watch out for. So if you're pressed for time, this may not be something you want to do. I ended up buying some energy suspension bushings as well, because again, that's what I wanted to do. We'll see if it fits. I've heard that sometimes these things are thicker than the stock, so hopefully we don't have any fitment problems. But if we do, then may have to rethink that. And basically, I think you can use the old hardware, but if your old hardware is too rusted or used up, then I bought some stainless steel hardware that I can use to. So just some things to be aware of when you're purchasing used but like new off of Amazon or Amazon Outlet. Not to say that you can't get some quality items, you can, but they're likely going to have some drawbacks as to a brand new one. And just keep that in mind. If the price is worth it for you, as it was for me, because I wasn't in need of the hardware or the decals, then it works out fine, and you can save $30 to $40, frankly, off of a brand new shock. So, thanks. Hope everybody's doing well out there, and until the next time.